Hello and welcome to AstralSolution55. I am Sugandha Solanki. In today's video, I am going to explain you Major Arcana card, Judgment. Judgment card is the card of awakening and renewal. This card shows that now you are coming out of the deep-rooted problems or a family turmoil. Because God has decided in your favor, you are going to get a second chance in your life. There'll be divine help for you, and you need to put your best effort now to take the advantage of this second chance by not repeating your mistakes what you did earlier. It shows that you have achieved a level of clarity, and now you can calmly evaluate yourself and the choices you are going to make now, so that this second chance will give you a better perspective in life. To understand this better, let's look at the symbol. Here you see the angel blowing the trumpet, which shows that now you have the blessing from the God. The judgment has been done in your favor, and you are getting all the blessings to start again in your life. People here, they are praying to the angel with their open arms. It shows that they are accepting the judgment, the higher judgment that has been given to them as a second chance, and they are celebrating this second chance. The forgiveness that they have given for their wrong past deed, they are happily accepting everything. So there is an acceptance and judgment in this card. Judgment card is a positive card because this card can be a turning point in a reading, because it says that your past deeds, wrongdoings have been forgiven, and now you can start afresh. With you need to take positive decision, think clearly, do not repeat your mistakes, because if you are on the right path now, you will get the success and fame. Take this blessing as a second chance and give your best to move forward. Take full advantage of this new thing given to you. I hope you get the meaning of this card. Next video, I'll come up with last card of Major Arcana, the World. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.